Why would you leave the UK after completion of visit? And if you are a genuine visitor, you will have few few reasons of you returning to your home country, right? You will give me 3, 4, 5 reason. My question to you is, what's your reason? Genuine intention. It's again quite common reason of refusal. Very, very common. Home Office say, we don't believe you would leave the UK after completion of your visit. How do you prove that? And I think that's a $1 million question. And here is the solution. So the solution is, if I am your lawyer preparing your visit visa application, I'll ask you a question. Why would you leave the UK after completion of visit? And if you are a genuine visitor, you will have few reasons of you returning to your home country, right? You will give me 3, 4, 5 reason. My question to you is, what's your reason? Why would you leave the UK after completion of your trip to the UK? I can't hear you, but let's say you have 5 reasons, and common reasons which I hear the most while helping my client. Number 1, they have their family to go back to. So they have their spouse, children. So if you have this, explain this in your cover letter and provide evidence. If you say I have a spouse, then the UK government would not know if they have a spouse. So provide your marriage certificate. Provide your spouse identity document. If they are working, then provide their letter from work that they are working. The more document you provide, it gives more confidence to the UK government that you have a genuine, strong family to go back to. If your children, provide birth certificate of your kids, a letter from their schools, they are attending schools, that'd be helpful. If you say I have 3 children, but how would the UK government know you have children unless you provide evidence of that? So remember one thing, no evidence, then the information doesn't hold any value. So please do provide corroborating evidence of your family. If that's one of the reason of you going back, you would go back to your family, why not? So that's a very good reason. Number 2 is your job or your business. So let's say you are in a full-time job, get a letter from your employer explaining the annual leave or any sort of leave you are being granted. Get it confirmed on the letterhead paper. Same time, it'd be nice if they confirm your job title, your job role, how many months or years you've been working with them and what's your salary with them, and when are you expected to return to work. That'd be extremely helpful and powerful evidence to prove your intention to go back home. If you are in business and if you are coming for a week or 2, it's fine. But if you are coming for a longer trip, then the UK government wants to know how would your business run if it's like a self-employed business or sole trader or very small business which is being run by yourself. Then the government wants to understand how would that run if you were not to be there. So you need to explain that you might have a deputy or you might have a family member who will take over your business. Explain that in a cover letter. Or maybe a letter from your accountant who is very close to your business can also explain that. If you are running business, you can of course explain yourself. If you are coming in for a week, it's fine. It's probably a pleasant trip to the UK. You may want to visit some places or family, friends, which is fine, or any event, fine. Get a letter from your accountant about your arrangement of your trip to the UK, because it's a credible, independent source to confirm. Will be very helpful. If you are running very successful business, again, a powerful accounts, say look, you have a fantastic business and you want to go back to your business after completion of visit. So work, family. The third reason is your assets. If you have large assets in your home country, maybe your properties, get, as I said earlier, valuation report from a credible valuation agency, whatever it might be in your country. And fixed deposit, letter from bank, be helpful. Again, there is no hard and fast requirement. In my view and experience, the honest you are, the transparent you are, the more information and more evidence you provide, the more chances of you being successful for your visit visa application. I also am aware there are refusals which are not reasonable, which are not rational. In that case, you can challenge the decision. If it's not rational and not reasonable, you can challenge visit visa refusal through a pre-action protocol before judicial review. It's called pre-action protocol letter, PAP, and it's a letter before claim. We can do that for you. It's a legal proceeding against the Home Office. We write a letter before claim, and if it's an irrational, unreasonable decision, we have been very successful overturning those decisions. If you need that support and guidance, please do reach out to us. My contact details would be in the description section below. Drop us an email and we'll help you with that. As and when I get time, I'll also prepare a video around pre-action protocol procedure of a visit visa refusal. I'll do that too, I promise. I hope this is a valuable content for you to prepare your visit visa application. If you have any question, please drop your question in the comment section below. If you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and like this video. We want to spread this content to a wider community for the wider benefit for free. And you can help me by subscribing to my channel, by liking this video, and by putting your comments and your questions in the section below. Now, thank you very much for watching, and all the very best for your visit visa application. Thank you.